title suggests, the Realme 9i does not have an IP certified ingress rating like for example IP53, which goes a long way in preventing costly liquid damages. But since quite some time, Realme's competition brand Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco have been giving the much required IP53 dust and water resistance on the devices. Though the question remains if Realme actually requires an official rating or not, since its devices have been doing well even without it. It may be the case that Realme have consistently, without fail, been doing cost cuts by using poor quality glass protection in terms of glasses which get easily scratched, with consistent fails and also total avoiding of oleophobic coating. But on the other hand, we have never actually faced a major liquid damage, so we are expecting and hoping the same of the Realme 9i as well. As mentioned just a few moments earlier, Realme has once again gone for cost cuts on the 9i in the usual area of oleophobic coating. If you remember the last video, it also did badly in the scratch test. But the good thing, at this initial stage of liquid damage testing, no negative effects on the audio quality until now from the stereo speakers. The earpiece here doubles as a secondary speaker. Honestly though, a dedicated second speaker like on the Xiaomi 11i and the Redmi Note 11, which we will be testing soon, is a much better implementation of proper stereo output. So the audio has not been disrupted yet, which can be an indication of initial liquid damage by distortion and low volume levels. That's why we could pass on to the light splashing round. The 9i seems to be handling light abuses pretty well as expected and not failing from serious screen issues like the Redmi Note 8 and 9 from motherboard damage requiring expensive professional repair since liquid damage is not covered under warranty. Also, for first time viewer info, besides that, devices with or without IP rating can go through tons of short term headaches, headphone icon issue as we have seen on many devices, camera fogging, screen flicker or temporary black screen issues. Fortunately, Realme and BBK devices, except for the recently water damaged Nazo 50i, have mostly been lucky enough not having such issues. Heavy drenching can also cause a device to get serious, costly and permanent display damage, so it's always a good idea to try and keep it as far away from liquid as possible. No suspicious signs of liquid trouble even at this later stage, no dangerous audio issues or any temporary issues. It surely looks almost certain that the Realme 9i will also make it through our little submersion round. All kinds of liquid abuse thrown at it with water in all ports right from the start. Still, no minor or major damages like the 50i. It looks like the Realme 9i has unofficial water resistance capabilities, once again saving cost by not making it official.